Greetings and salutations on this glorious Sunday, August 29th. It's hard to believe this month is almost over. Anyway, it's a glorious, glorious Sunday. Beautiful time of year. Still 90 degrees this week here in Oxford, North Carolina, and I'm just soaking it up, soaking up the sun. Anyway, this weekend, once again, renewing the site, getting a lot of area cleared off, and actually applying some pallets to a new application, i.e. fencing. And, it works all right. I mean, as any of you know, I don't care too much about aesthetics. I really am more about function than form. So far, this appears to be actually a pretty decent application for a lot of these junk pallets that otherwise I would consider burners. And I just throw them in a fire pit, and they burn up in about, there's pretty much not much trace left after about half an hour. So they go fast, but I'm always looking for something a little bit more constructive to do with them. And fuck it, I've got the fence going up front, and it looks pretty nice. I mean, not bad. It's certainly functional, and it's stable, especially with its the zigzag pattern. It's a self-stabilizing structure, so it works real nice. And of course, it can be made uniform with a nice coat of paint or something at some point in time. But it's good bones, I think. And time will tell. But of course, nothing lasts forever. Everything's temporary. Permanent is really only a subjective idea. Anyway, so I spent some time redoing some of the weed cloth down here, resetting some of that stuff, clearing off all the bricks and using the spikes instead. Also building a berm around the shithole. So that I can channel the water that runs off of the surface of the land away from the pit. And so we don't have like that situation we had last time when it was full for several weeks and it looked like a lot of runoff had come that direction. So I've also moved some of that hill, filled in some of the gap between those trees there, because it's a trap. And also did a bunch of clearing, site renewal style stuff right here. All of this was jungle and up by the house. So next weekend, one of my priorities will be cleaning up the rest of the glass from the fire, which has not been completed yet, and laying down some more weed cloth here. I need to spend some time during the week in Raleigh investigating wood chipping companies or tree services that are looking for a place to dump wood chips anywhere nearby here. Because I know you can, they are often looking for a repository for the wood chips that are generated after they do work on people's lands and cutting up trees and so on and so forth. But anyway, it's been a glorious weekend, nothing particularly spectacular. And I got plenty of pictures of both of these processes. And for now, I just really wanted to give you a nice brief update. And enjoy this glorious time in the swing chair. Lovely swing chair. Ladies have given me plenty of seeds. See, the cabbages are in great shape, except yesterday or the day before that, I noticed a whole bunch of baby inchworms on this particular cabbage here. You can see it's had some nibbling away at the leaves. And so as soon as I noticed that, I went and investigated further and discovered a whole bunch of baby inchworms all over this thing, and there's still spots, looks like eggs and stuff. I'll have to clean that off, but But I had to clear them of that, and cabbages are looking pretty happy. This guy's looking pretty good. I haven't noticed that. Oh, there's one right there. Yep. Bastard. Well, such ends his life. I need to get further in there and see if there's anything else going on. But cabbages are looking pretty good. This one needs some more soil on the bottom, come up flush. This guy really needs some more dirt too, but the cucumbers are looking nice. We got flowering going on. I moved one from his location under the fire deck over here. This one in particular, he wasn't too happy under the fire deck. I don't think he was getting enough sun. But, and there's my ladies all seeding. And, yeah. So it's been a lovely weekend. I'm always looking forward to coming back. And so, all that being said, I implore you to do as I am going to do with the rest of my day here. Enjoy the peace of nature.